Hello mga ka-trending, welcome back to ZK Trend. At dahil tapos na ang taping ni Donnie sa Roja, may panibago naman itong pinagkakabalahan. Ang kanyang new business na ipinatayo, ang analog.mnl. Sa IG account nito, nagbahagi ng larawan si Donnie patungkol sa new business niya. An idea I couldn't let go of, now becoming real soon. At kung titingnan ang naturang analog.mnl na account, tila ba isa itong restaurant na pabalik sa nakaraan. Old souls, friendly faces, crafty hands. Ayon dito sa post, in case you're one or know someone. If you know how to make others feel at ease, pay attention to details, and carry of genuine love for the small things and the moment itself, you'll fit right in. Paniguradong magiging patok na naman itong new business ni Donato. Kada taon na lang talaga ay may panibagong business na ipinatayo si Donnie. Ini-invest nito sa tama ang kanyang pera. At marahil kung matapos nga ito nang hindi pa birthday ni Belle, ay panigurado na doon mag-celebrate nga ng birthday ang ating Belinda sa analog.mnl. Grabe na talaga itong ating Donnie at Belle. Dahil matapos nga ang kanilang mga pinatayong bahay, successful projects, business na naman ngayon ang kanilang inaatupag. At ayon nga dito sa ilang komento ng mga bula sa X, from new houses to their new businesses. Yep, that's the Don Bell, such an inspiration. So promising after his Roja project, here he is with another BB analog. Coming to life, businessman Donnie Pangilinan is definitely one of our favorite roles from him. At ayon pa dito sa isang bula, another dream coming to life. Donnie just filming for his action series Roja, and here he is about to put another dream to reality. Another one for businessman Donnie. Every year, my new business. So proud of you.